France will offer free therapy sessions from 2022. French President Emmanuel Macron announced on September 28 that the government will cover the cost of therapy sessions for any citizen aged 3 and older, as part of a broader initiative starting in 2022 to address mental health concerns. Mental health is a major issue that is insufficiently addressed in our country, Macron said at a conference for psychology professionals. The president said he sees the new measure as a way to address a historic demand for therapy, and help citizens whose mental health is suffering as soon as possible. Last week, the French government released a survey with several grim indicators of how the country has coped with the COVID-19 pandemic. The research, which surveyed 2,000 French residents starting in March 2020, found that 10% of respondents had suicidal thoughts over the course of the past year, double the usual number. They also reported higher levels of anxiety and depression. There were 3 lockdowns and many people were unable to leave their homes for more than an hour each day. Who will benefit from free therapy? The government will cover a €40 consultation to start, and 7 additional visits at a rate of €30 thereafter, with the option to renew. Macron said it is not intended for anyone who can already afford therapy, nor psychologists who already charge well above these rates. Rather, he emphasized, the policy is intended to help mental health providers who aren't currently making a decent living, and patients who cannot afford therapy visits unless prices are regulated. In the most recent French government survey, conducted the first week of September, students and jobless people reported higher rates of suicidal thoughts over the past year than those who were working or retired, indicating who may be most in need of assistance like this. The French government announced similar initiatives earlier this year for children and young adults aged 3 to 17, as well as university students. But the latter check PSY reimbursement only reached 905 students between February and April, and psychologists complained that it was difficult to access. Professionals in the field have similarly expressed concerns that this new policy may be bogged down by administrative hurdles. Patients can only receive the reimbursement with a medical prescription, for example, and one therapist told Le Figaro newspaper his patients are reluctant to confide in their doctors about mental health concerns. Nevertheless, France will begin to catch up to some of its peers, such as the UK and Germany, in taking steps to address what has been described as a global mental health crisis. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. Also click on the bell icon to appreciate our hard work and get more important videos. We thank you in advance for subscribing to our channel.